Good morning, everyone. So, in factorization, today we discuss about this some problem, that is question number 6a. Okay. So what it says that this is says that prove by the factor theorem that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. Okay. So now to show that x minus 2 is factor of this function, you must have considered that this is fx. Okay, this is our fx, and now x minus 2 is the dividend, so divisor. So here you consider that x minus 2 as a gx. Okay, now we know that we have to find out the gx in zeros of gx. Okay, so zeros of gx is nothing but x minus 2 equal to 0, so that will be easily find out, that is x equal to 2. Okay, so x equal to 2 is our zeros. Now if it x minus 2 is factor of this theorem, this function, then you must have f of 2 equal to 0. This is by the factor theorem. Okay, so by factor theorem you can easily conclude that f of 2 equal to 0. So now we just have to prove that if f of 2 equal to 0, then you will done. Say here, that is f of 2 equal to the value of x equal to 2 is putting here, that is 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 4. Okay, by getting a simple calculation you will easily conclude that f of 2 equal to 0. So if f of 2 equal to 0, then by the factor theorem x minus 2 is factor of this function. Okay, so we have done here. So in this way, another is that is x square minus ax minus bx plus ab is divisible by x minus a. We just have to show that. So what here, that is fx equal to x square minus ax minus ab minus bx plus ab. This is our fx. Okay, this, and gx equal to our x minus a that we have considered. So zeros of gx is nothing but zeros of gx is zeros of gx equal to a. So x equal to a here, that is, now we just have to putting the value f of a and just show that f of a equal to 0, then we will done. That is if f of a equal to 0, then this function must be divisible by this x minus a. So here, that is f of a equal to, simply putting x equal to a, we will see that a square minus a into a minus b into a plus ab. So this is a square minus a square, and ab equal to ba, so we can write this minus ab plus ab. So this will be all cancel out and we will get 0. So whenever you conclude that f of a equal to 0, you can easily say that this total function, okay, this function actually is divisible by x minus a. So in this way you can do the question number b also, and the question number 7 also. Okay, so now we have the question number 8, that is says find the value of a such that so that x square minus 3x plus 5a is divisible by x minus 2. So x here given that this is divisible by x minus 2, this is given. Okay, so from this you can must have conclude that f of the factor of the zeros of gx, that is 2. So f of 2 equal to 0. This condition you must be conclude here, conclude from this statement, directly from this statement. Okay, so we can have that, consider that fx equal to this function and gx equal to this function. So we have to find out the zeros of gx, simply find out that is x equal to 2. Okay, so whenever you take the zeros of gx, that is x equal to 2, then you have conclude that f of 2 is 0. This is your condition, this is the given condition actually. So by the given condition you can, if fx is divisible by gx, then by the given condition f of 2 equal to 0. Here you can write this is by the given condition also. Okay, so then you'll definitely see that 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 5a, and you will find out the value of a from here. So simply we getting some calculation here, that and you will get that a equal to 2 by 5. So this is the actual value. If you put this a equal to 2 by 5 here, then you can see that this is divisible by x minus 2. Okay, so these three problem quite important, that is okay. So that's all for today. We will see you in the next session.